Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to run through creating an article of DevelopPHP just so everybody can see how it's done. I'm going to create, well first I'm going to make sure I'm logged in. And then I'm going to go to create, that tab on top here, the three links, hit create. And then in that selection you'll have video based tutorial or write an article. And under write an article you won't see specific things like JavaScript or HTML or ActionScript or anything like that, because I'm gonna make write a text-based tutorial section, which is gonna be coming soon. But I wanted to make this write an article section first to get things tested real well before we create that section. Okay, so what you do is you go in the drop down, you'll see all kind of sections. If there's one that's not in there that you think that should be in there, and I can add any sections that you want, any categories that you like, I'll add it to it. If not, just go to other if you're not that concerned about the categories. But I say we get everything separated nice into categories, and that way it'll be easier to navigate to direct content. So let's go under, let's say, other, since this one's just going to be an example, and I'm using Firefox 3.5. Let's press go. Alright, now the main things you want to know, you just type in your article title. Let's put article title right there, and then the keywords would be down here. So, Adam Curry article technology. You can put in the article body. You start your article body. So what the things that I think that you would need to know to put in there are, let's say here is an image, because many people would want to place an image in their article. So let's do that. I'm just going to use this one for example's sake. So wherever your image is online, you get your cursor where you want it, and let's go to image, and let's place the image URL here, and the alt tag would be that section there. So the image URL on top, alternate text right there, submit, and there's that image. Okay, so let's go to here is a link. So let's just get this in, grab these properties, DevelopPHP.com, any link on the web that you want, URL, target, blank. Please use blank for all your links, okay? That way we don't direct people away from our site here, if you wouldn't mind. Okay, so let's go to formatted text. Alrighty, formatted text. Let's put some color on it. You would want to know how to do that, and probably size it. And let's change the font. Booyah. Okie dokie. So now let's go down and let's put some code. Here is code I want peeps to see. Let's go to Dreamweaver and say we had some code sitting there. Thank you. Let's scoop that up, paste it right in. Now I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to make sure I color it so people know that it's a piece of code. So I color it differently, and then let's go down, press enter, and let's embed a YouTube video. And that's, I think, everything that you would want to know how to do, I guess. It's really all that you would need to do. And you can make tables and all kind of junk with this thing. Check out all these buttons and see what they do. Play around and experiment. Get creative. Whatever you want to do, you can do. And there's HTML view, and it's just like Dreamweaver. So you have design view here that I've been working in, and then there's HTML view. So just think of this as a little Dreamweaver, and that's exactly how it works. Okay, so let's embed a YouTube video. Let's go to the video you want at YouTube or any other site that lets you embed video. and go to the configuration options and make sure it's not too big for our page. 560 by 340 is perfect. But you can also size it once it gets in there. Watch. So you get the options you want here, and then you go to back to the creation page, and you make sure you go to HTML view, the source code view. Press that little HTML button, then just go down a couple of lines and put in your embed object tag there from whatever site is letting you embed a video that you want to embed, and then you press the text view again to go into the design mode, and you'll see the video there. See those big boobies? Alright, so, and it'll play too. It's funny, it'll play right there in the rich text editor. So that's pretty much everything you would want to know how to put, right? Anything? Links, images, video, code. What more could you want? Okay, now let's press submit. This is called article title. Goes here. And I'm going to delete this one, but I'm going to press submit and show you what it looks like. Click here to return. Boom. It shows up on the home page automatically. Newest one's on top. Click it. Let's go and look at it. That's it. That's everything we wanted. It's beautiful. Image shows up. Links show up. Formatted text, code, video, and now once I'm at my profile, I can go to edit my articles right here. But be careful when editing code. I'm going to make a little video about that. When your code is on the page, you bring up the editor, it's going to come out a little different, but I'm going to make a video about that, don't you worry.